Well, it's Monday night, about 4:30, wash night. We gotta get her stripped down. This was done Friday night at Brownstown. This was done Saturday night. Looks like both sides are coming off of it tonight. Oh, the joys of racing. We're gonna get to it here in just a minute. Welcome back. It's Thursday night now. I couldn't be here Tuesday night. Didn't want to bore you with some of the same old washing videos Monday night. But they got a lot done Tuesday night. They changed the crank trigger and put a brand new one on. Turns out the reason why the timing was off on the crank trigger is the crank trigger was bad. Doug has talked to Rocket and MSD about these boxes. MSD believes that we got 2 bad boxes in a row. It's nothing we're doing because the box out of that car and our spare box is what we've been using, and it works with no problem. So MSD is believing they may have had some bad boxes go out. So we're waiting on to get a new box from Rocket to put on. As far as this weekend goes, the plan is to race tomorrow night at Brownstown Bull Ring in Brownstown, Illinois, and then Saturday night at I-55 Federated Auto Parts Speedway in Peebly. But looking like tomorrow, good chance it's going to get rained out. Could possibly get rained out Saturday. They're calling for rain about 9 o'clock on Saturday night. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. So this is a crank trigger. This little piece here works off a magnet that's bolted to the crank shaft, which sends a signal to the MSD box to fire the ignition. So that's what went bad, which caused it to go off time.
Went a whole hell of a lot in it.
So last week I noticed that our oil bath hub on the trailer was leaking pretty bad. So we didn't have time to get to it when I found it. So that's what we're doing tonight, is putting new gasket and new cap on.
Yeah.
So I found these on Amazon for $27 a piece. So instead of jacking around with the old one, Doug said just buy the new ones. And this one has, however you want to use it, either a fill hole or a drain hole.
Yeah, they
for
say
the oil.
They say to put this up and fill it through the drain hole to the full. That's about what came out of it, to be honest with you. It didn't lose very much.
I don't think it takes a whole lot.
No, it does not, because you leave what's in there, I take it. I didn't get brake clean. If you want to get...
Filling her with oil. Also this week I dumped my concoction down the post on the back door, and this kept it going until it started running out the bottom into the drain pan, because the door was getting hard to, it was jumping and vibrating again. So we lubed her up, see if that helps it out. The job that never ends. Is that the last one?
And that one I washed, but yeah, that's it. I just mounted this one.
So if we race tomorrow night, I will not be there. My daughter has a softball tournament that I have to take her to, but I will be at Peebly on Saturday night. So Nicholas will be running the cameras. So I don't know if there will be a lot of out-of-car content. We do have the car loaded and in the trailer. We just finished that up. So thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Catch you all later.